Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this brown and gold cut crease makeup look. To start out this look, I'm going to be using the Warrior 2 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'll be using the brown shade called Kafuru. And I'll be putting this in the crease and outer corner areas. Next, I'll be going with more of the chestnut brown color called Yoded, and I'll be using this to blend it out. Next, I'll be using a Melani concealer to cut the creases. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and in the inner corners I'm using the lighter gold shade. And towards the outer corners I'm using the darker gold shade. Next, I'll be using a black liquid eyeliner. For the lashes, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and I'll be topping this with fake lashes later on. Next, I'll be using a light brown contour powder for my cheekbones and nose. Using a Nyx Liquid Suede pinkish tan lipstick. And that completes this gold and brown cut crease makeup look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.